Hi, my name is Caitlin and this is my first time on YouTube. I am 9 years old, turning 10 this year, and I'm going to show you how to make fluffy slime. So these are the things that you will be needing to make your fluffy slime. You're going to be needing 2 bottles of glue. You will be needing this. You're going to be needing lotion, foam, shaving cream. You're going to be needing this baby oil. I buy a small bottle. Borax. I put my borax in this bottle so it can be easier for me. You're going to be needing coloring. It's optional if you want it. And shine and dust. This is optional too. So let's get straight on to the video. So of course you're going to be needing a container and a spoon. I just have a tiny spoon, don't judge me. Okay, so let's just straight right into the slime. I'm going to first start by pouring in my 1 bottle of glue. Okay, let's just finish this out really quickly. It doesn't want to finish. Okay. And another bottle of glue, of course. So now we're going to put in shaving foam, and you just need to put in the amount of slime you want to make. So let's just shake this up really quickly and start putting in all the shaving foam. Okay, that's enough. Oh, okay. Let's put this right there. And now we just want to mix this really quickly with our tiny spoon. Okay, so once your foam and your glue mix together, you just want to add in just a tiny bit of food coloring, and then you're going to start by mixing that until the shaving foam, the glue, and this mix. This looks so satisfying to me. So once it is all mixed up together and it becomes one flat color, we're going to add in the lotion. So let's just add in a tiny bit of this lotion and mix time by time while we add it in. According to how stretchy you do want your slime. So we're going to add in a little bit of Johnson's oil, and we don't want to add in way too much because it will come out way too stretchy and the slime wouldn't work out. So this is to make the slime a little more smoother. So let's just start mixing this, and once it's all mixed, we add in our borax. So as I said, we had to add in borax right after we done mend this, and all the stuff that I add in is combined. We're going to add in borax. So we just want to add in a little bit and start stirring at a time. So now let's stir, and it's already starting to mend, as you can see. Borax fixes everything. You can also use contact lens solution if you like. So let's just add in a tiny bit again. So now we're going to add in our glitter. I choose purple because I think it's the only glitter I have. We're going to add in some glitter. There we go. And now we're just going to start mixing that together so this becomes sparkly and beautiful. Okay, so While I'm in with my hands, we're just gonna add in a tiny bit more of the borax to get it less sticky. So let's just start mixing. This slime is huge. So you see the amount of shaving cream that I added in is the amount this came out to, and a little bit of slime, and then we added in the shaving foam, and this came out so huge. So I'm just adding in a little bit of the lotion while I'm folding this. Let's just add in a tiny bit of this lotion. There we go. And then we're just gonna start back by folding this, trying not to get on your hands. Oh, I am very clumsy and I get on my hands. So this is my slime. I hope you like it, everyone. It is really, really nice. The texture, it pulls really good, like this. It's really, really nice. Like, this is my slime. This slime is really, really, really nice. It's fluffy, it's stretchy. I hope you followed my instructions on this video, and I really hope you like it. Please subscribe to this channel. And yeah, this is how I make fluffy slime. And that's all for today's video. But before we leave, I want to show you one last thing. I really wanted to do this twirl thingy, you know. And yeah, this is how we make fluffy slime. That's all for today's video. Bye!